it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make prawns pickle. So let's go into the video. The ingredients that you need are half kilo of prawns. Make sure that you have half kilo after removing the shells. 3 tablespoons of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. 4 cloves. 1 inch of cinnamon stick. 2 cardamom. 2.5 tablespoons of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 big sized limes, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 150 ml of oil, preferably groundnut oil. So firstly, to marinate the prawns, add half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix it very gently so that you don't break the prawns. And let this marinate for 30 minutes. So as the prawns are marinating, let's prepare the masala powder. So add the cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Now dry roast this on a medium flame. After they've half roasted, add the coriander seeds and fry them until they change color lightly. Now let them cool down and blend them into a fine powder. Now into a pan, add the oil and add the marinated prawns. As you can see, the prawns left some water, but don't take them out yet. Wait for them to turn into a nice golden brown color. After they turned into a golden brown color, take them out. As you can see, they're a nice golden brown color and they're also crispy on the outside. Now into the same oil, add the ginger garlic paste and fry this on a medium flame. Fry it until the raw smell fades and add 2 tablespoons of salt. You can adjust the salt to your taste. Now mix it to help it dissolve in the oil. And then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 3 tablespoons of red chili powder. You can adjust the red chili powder to your taste. After about 2 minutes, add the masala powder that we prepared earlier. Now turn off the flame and add the fried prawns. Make sure everything is well coated. Now let this cool down completely. And then add the lime juice. You have to make sure the prawns are cooled completely before adding the lime juice. And tasty prawns pickle is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.